Okay, so how to create this drawing as shown in screen. So I already have imported this drawing using picture frame command, and I will keep writing tools which I am going to use to create this drawing. Okay, so for right now, okay, let's click on rhino. Okay, so for this drawing, if I'm studying this drawing, so this is the center, and this is very circular drawing. So from center it is expanding, so I will consider these two lines as a center. Intersection of these lines is a center, so I will take this center. So let's find out dimension. So this is 150 diameter, and outer one is 180. So use circle, 0 enter, and diameter is 150, and again right click, 0 enter, and 180. Now let's unlock this drawing, move it little bit side. Okay, and keep pressing shift key, and you can use this gumball. We will make another special video for gumball. So what is gumball? These arrows and these small boxes and this rotation axis is called gumball. So this is very handy tools. Okay, so for right now I have just created 180 and 150. Now see, I want to create this particular portion. So this is at 30-degree angle and at 146 mm apart from the center. So I can use line angle option. So this is my line angle option. Now I have to first create baseline. So type in 0 enter and create straight line. Now it is asking for angle. So I have 30-degree angle. So type in 30, and now type in value 164. It is already given. Now here I have to create this circle and this circle, these two circles. So this is of 45 and this is of 60, so its radius is 30. So 30 and 45. So use circle command, click here, and type in radius 30 and 45. Okay, so yeah, radius is 45 and 30. Now see, here is one radius of circle of radius 164, and center is here. So let's make one circle using radius 164. Okay, now trim all unwanted objects. So select this all. So this is my selection window, and use trim option and click outer unwanted option. Okay. Now see, this is 30-meter apart two lines. So I have already created one line. So I can now create 30 mm apart. So 15 is the offset distance, because from this line 15 is this side and 15 is this side. So now offset distance 15, and select line, click this side, again right click, select the line and click this side. Okay, so this is 30 mm apart. Now select all those objects, use trim option, trim, trim all the objects which are not required. This is the circles input, so don't touch them. Okay, now I am just going to move my line which is used for reference to another layer, because I don't want to delete. I can hide it and unhide it. Okay, so for right now I want to make multiple copies of this object. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is on 360-degree, and there are 6 copies. So I will use array option, array polar, and for polar is a circular pattern, so it is asking for center. See here, it is asking for center. So this is my center, and number of items are 6. We have to include first one, we have to consider first one, and total distributed angle is 360 degrees, so it is distributed on 360-degree angles, and then enter, then right click. Okay, so now I have to make one single loop. Okay, how to create it? Let's trim, first trim all the objects which are okay. Now I have just trimmed all the objects. Now I want to extrude them. Okay, so how to extrude them? So first we are going to perspective view. From there we will just create single loop. So this is not single loop. See here, it is connected. So trim all the unwanted objects again. Now see, this is outer border which should be linked with this one. We cannot consider this because this is overlapping. Okay, so we are creating another arc. So this is my arc, start point, end point, and click on this circle. So see, I have created this curve because these all the circles are will be created as a ball. Select them and move into another layer and hide them. So now I can click here. Okay, also hide this line, and I will use array option. Array polar. My center is 0. Number of items 6 and 360-degree. Yes. Okay. Select them all and don't include this one. Now join this all the close loop. Okay. So now turn on this. Okay. First let's extrude this both the objects. So use extrude command, extrude curve, and specify dimension 2. Oops, again solid yes. Let's check again because it's not showing perfectly close boundary, so where it is open. Extrude. Yes, it is perfectly closed. So right now we are going to use extrude and specify 3, enter. So this is my perfect closed loop. Now I'm just going to turn on my circles and I will use sphere command. Go to the boundary, and this is the center. Go just go on the boundary and click on the border, so it will create one sphere. You can also make individual spheres, either you can use array polar. So we have the option array polar, 0, enter. Number of items are 6 and 360-degree, and then right click. So this is my final object which I have converted to 3D. Okay, then I can use loop to convert into jewelry. So this is a cylinder I want to use. Torus, where is torus? Yeah, this is one. Now first create circle, then specify thickness. It should be in a practical way. You cannot select it either or. That is at perfect center. And rotate it. So this is my gumball rotation axis and type in 90 degree. So your chain will pass through this loop. Thank you.